that you cannot do practical, duh! Do not study fashion designing. Hi, I'm Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor. So today we'll be talking about what you should not do if you want to study fashion designing. So I'll list out things that you should not do if you want to study fashion designing. Okay, so give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me know if you found these tips helpful. So don't mind my over dramatic self. Do not study fashion designing if you know you cannot buy sewing machine or fabric or sewing equipment. Do not study it, because you are going to spend your last kobo buying all types of sewing equipment. If you know that you cannot do practical, duh! Do not study fashion designing. You are going to cry. Okay? Do not study fashion designing if you know that you cannot calculate, because you are going to calculate why drafting. Again, do not study fashion designing if you know that you can't take criticism. Do not study fashion designing, because you are going to be taking criticism like a daily bread. Do not study fashion design if you know you cannot stand for hours or you cannot bend down. Don't even near fashion designing at all. Do not study fashion designing if you know that you cannot lose. Do not near fashion designing at all. So let me know in the comment section what you should not do if you want to study fashion designing. You can send in your comment so that others can see and learn. So drop in your comment now. So if you find these tips helpful, so click on the like button, like and subscribe. So do have a lovely day. Bye.